Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I wanted to do an unboxing. Should have had it in my hand. Here it is, just a thin little package. I got all the addresses on everything on the back side, so I'm going to keep that down. I got this from Shane Coffee. I entered one of his contests. He was doing a giveaway of a Onetigris stove, so I wanted to do an opening and, you know, of course, thank Shane very much for the stove and sending it to me. And well, let's just crack this sucker open. Alrighty, just enjoying a little hot chocolate, which is delicious. I think it's in a bag, so I want to make sure not to cut it. That would be awful. There we go. Onetigris. Oh, props to those guys. So here it is. Really thin. Not super heavy. I'll have to put it on the scale when I get home, and I'll throw it up on the screen. Oh, and it's wrapped in film, but no problem. I'll make quick work of it with my Spyderco Tenacious. Go. And to drop it. I'm trying to remember how we put this together now. That's cool. I like the face on it. Come on. Honestly, I don't remember if this might go down like this. So these must be the sides. Sorry, I've literally never put this stove together before, so it's a little bit of a learning curve. Go on the top. Are you guys over there shaking your heads yet? Like, come on, Mark, what are you doing? I believe this plate goes on the bottom. Okay. Let's not waste. Okay. So I finally got it all together. The first time and my lack of experience is pretty obvious, kind of fumbling it. So this configuration, I'm guessing, is for firewood, for fuel. And you put this one in the middle to put a Trangia on if you're going to do it that way. So getting it together was a bit of a learning curve, but I don't do a whole lot with stoves. I mean, I have one. It's the I think this was on backwards. So then this should go in like this. I'm glad I won this because now I actually have something I can use and practice with. I'm sure you guys are laughing. I hope you guys were kind of laughing watching me. I'm going to cut some of it out, but it was actually pretty funny watching me try to... It was actually pretty funny. I mean, I was chuckling to myself. Like, wow, Mark, you just... Of course, if the camera was off, it would go together quick. So, there we go. So there's the stove. And then set that up like that. And then the pot will sit on top. Or a canteen cup or whatever. So, very cool. Like I said, it's just the initial setup. Did it for the first time. Now I actually have a kind of a cool stove I can use. So expect to see it in future videos. Sorry, just enjoying my hot chocolate. So, that's badass. I really like that. So I gotta say, first impressions, pretty badass stove. And I got a hole in my lip. Of course, my putting it together was pretty shoddy, which I'm probably going to cut quite a few minutes of it out, just because. But I'm glad I got it. It's pretty awesome, really nice. Just going to have to see some forest time though. I like the little face in front. It's pretty awesome. Maybe you can't see that. So there you go. Really cool. I actually don't think I have a stove like that, so it'd be good to get out there and use it. Alright, well, I got it all packed up, put away. Really easy to disassemble. It's a really cool stove. I'm pretty happy with it. So far, first impressions, good stuff. That's Onetigris. I'll link their site down below. Nice. So thanks again, Shane Coffee. I will link his channel in the description as well if you want to go give him a look. Yeah. So stay tuned for future videos. And as always, I appreciate you watching. I'll catch you on the next one.